Isn't the sun just glorious today? It would knock the cockles off your soul. So I'm going to try and spend as much time as I can outside in that sunshine this afternoon. This is the story. It is literally only around the corner to the Belfast workshop, which is on the 3rd of November. It's on a Sunday, which starts at 11:30. Now, for all of you lovely people local to me here in Drogheda and the surrounding areas and Duleek, the gorgeous Patrice Paisley has offered to organise a coach which is going to leave from Duleek and Drogheda on the morning of the workshop. So if you were contemplating coming to one of the workshops, or you missed the ones in the past and your last option is Belfast, you know what you need to do. I'm going to put Patrice's details in underneath on this live stream so you can contact her directly, because she's going to be organising the coach. Now, we had a brief conversation last night about what we're going to do after the workshop. And you'll never know, there might be a couple of glasses of Prosecco. So the bus won't be leaving directly after the workshop is finished, which will be finished in and around the 3:30 mark. There might be a little bit of schmoozing in the Merchant Hotel. For those of you who have never been to the Merchant Hotel, check it out on their website. This hotel is utterly stunning in every single way. I am so looking forward to doing my last workshop of the year up in Belfast. We are expanding the tribe, guys. So if you want to be part of this bus heading up to Belfast on the 3rd of November, get in touch with Patrice directly. I'll put her details in underneath, as I said, and I look forward to everybody who is from here who couldn't make it to Dublin joining us in Belfast. It's only up the road. So, have a great day, enjoy the sunshine.